Hey, Rick.
Hey, time to eat. I'm hungry. We're going to Sonic in Allentown, Pennsylvania. We're on the highway, Route 22. And it says 10 minutes. 10 minutes or 10 miles, what does that
It says 10 miles.
say? 40.
We're going to be there in 8.3 minutes.
What? I hope so. We used to have Sonic where we live, but I think they didn't pay the rent and they kicked them out.
They turned it into a car wash.
Yeah, too bad. I like Sonic better. Alright, you gonna go with us? We'll go with the car so it's not so loud, so we'll sit in the air conditioning and eat.
Yeah. At the drive-in.
Because it's 90 degrees outside. 85 exactly. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah.
86 now. It's going up. It'll be 90 by the time we get there.
Okay.
See you when we get closer.
See you there.
Hungry. Time to eat.
He's always hungry.
Airport Road. That's by the airport.
I'm hungry. I know it's going to tell us to turn left, but I think it's straight back there.
Really?
It's a shortcut, but we're going to go the way the GPS says.
This is a long red light.
No. Well, we got it. Got the green arrow.
You will arrive at your destination on the right-hand side after 600 feet.
Oh. Are you still on roller skates?
I'm gonna.
Turn right,
You
then
have
turn
reached
left.
your destination on the right-hand
I
side.
don't see it. Oh, there it is. I see it behind the bush.
There it
Look.
is.
Sonic,
Yep,
America's
Sonic.
driving. Yay, do not enter.
That's okay. We'll go
Are
around
you
the
on roller
other.
skates? We'll pull up to one of them stalls, right?
Oh, it's a bumpy ride here, Mamana. There's where you can eat outside, and if you want to.
Can you pay cash?
Which way do you want to face?
Oh, I don't know. What do you think?
How about over here?
Where?
You can look at the road.
Roads. Where we're going, we don't need roads. This is a skinny spot here. Look at. Oh, look at this. Oh, we gotta know what we want first?
Oh, back up.
Why?
You're too close.
Well, we gotta touch the screen or talk or something.
Okay.
don't we? We can look at the menu, right?
Right.
What would you say? There's a double cheeseburger, something or other. Bacon cheeseburger toaster. Foot long quarter-pound coney dog.
Oh, I gotta be able to see this one.
Chili cheese coney. Time to eat! Should I press it again? I don't know. I don't want to make nobody mad. Well, it's been about 5 or 10 minutes and nobody's answering, so maybe this one doesn't work. We're going to move to another one. Unless they just don't want to make some hamburgers. Watch them answer as soon as we left. Try this one. See, the menu's the same. Yeah, the other one didn't work.
We'll be with you soon.
We're still waiting at the second window here. It took us a shorter time to drive here than it did to get any service. We waited 10 minutes at the other one. We're at 15 minutes at this one. I'm gonna go to a different stall. I'm gonna point the car so I can look in the restaurant. What's going on here?
Do you think you can go in there?
I don't know.
I really don't.
But we've been here half an hour. Let me push this button. Push another button. Hope Sonic is watching this. Watching Sonic? You got nice commercials. Like you care.
This one up here used to be really good last year.
Hello? Are you there? Hello? Come on. They talked and he went away.
Just like, can I place an order?
You talking to me? Hello? About 35 minutes. I'm ready to go. I was gonna go inside. As soon as I backed up, she said, "Can I help you?" Number 4. Got that?
Yes, would you like fries or pasta with that?
Fries. Can I get the poppers on the side? Cheddar peppers, a large.
What kind of drink would you like for that, number 4?
Can I get a Sonic Blast instead of a drink? Or is that extra or separate?
No, you can get a blast. What kind?
Snickers, please, large.
Anything else?
I want a number 7 with tots.
Did you want that American or chili cheese?
American or chili cheese?
Chili cheese.
Chili cheese.
And you said with tots?
Yes. And an unsweetened iced tea, large.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Gonna be 21.18. Are you paying with cash or card?
Cash.
We'll be right out to get your cash.
Thank you. What? Coming out for the money first. What?
Okay. I thought maybe you want to talk.
21.18. Yeah, that was like 35 minutes or more. It took longer to wait to order than it took to get here. 15 miles away. Well, let's see how long the food's gonna take, right? 21.18. Just let her keep the change. Couple bucks. Maybe they'll snap it up a little bit. Take the money before they make your hamburger. All right.
I don't know. I could see them inside now
Boy, this is
working.
no fun.
Well, it'll be fun when we get our food.
I hope Sonic watches this because they got such happy commercials. I got the cheese, I got the bacon, I got the bread. Like 5 people are working on one hamburger.
See the area? Oops.
21.18.
There you go. You can just keep the change, all right? Is that all right?
Yep.
We'll wait here, all right? We'll wait here. I'm gonna say thank you. Yeah, I'll wait here. Don't hang a plate on my car either. All right, let's sit here and get cool. All right, so you can see the time.
It'll probably be a little while, huh?
91 degrees. 1:11. Yeah, it's lunch. It's okay, right? It's 6:07. What's that for? Somebody else's bill? Man, what a disappointment. Let's put the camera up on the dashboard.
So,
Better turn it off or the battery will conk out
Okay,
before
so-
food gets here.
now remember, it's our Friday night friends here.
Yeah. Well,
So mad.
they would have left by now. They would have left.
Okay,
We would have went to McDonald's right over there.
let's just relax and have a nice Friday night. Hey, okay?
Time to eat. Is that better for light? Now we're under a roof though over there.
Yeah, but we have a little more light inside. We could have went to the drive-thru and got our food inside here.
Oh no. Well, this is the fun to pull up to like a drive-in. Three different stalls. First one didn't work. The monitor wasn't on. Second one, the monitor was on. Nobody came. 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Okay, come on now. Come on.
9 minutes.
Face off all that. What are you guys having for dinner tonight? Huh?
Sonic?
Well, they can have a hot dog or a hamburger on
Toast?
Texas toast.
At home, you mean, right?
Yeah, or somewhere that they eat. Pick it up.
Go to Sonic if you got a few hours to spare.
Okay. Okay, so what's in this area where we are sitting right now?
There's an airport back there. Maybe we'll see a plane go by. BJ's Wholesale Club, I see.
Yep.
I see a gas station. I can't see the price.
There's some kind of casino across the street, right? Or is it a
Oh yeah,
casino?
off-track betting.
Oh, off track.
Yeah, you can bet for racehorses in there. I went there once. Once.
Come on, put that Friday night smile on. Come on, it's
I'm
okay.
smiling. How much more can I
Everything's
smile? I'm smiling more. My face will crack. Well, while we're waiting for the food, I got a box at the post office today. Did you know that? You didn't see me? Want to open it? Since we got a long wait, probably. Or this will make it come quick. Maybe.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Oh, where's it from?
I can't even get it. And I just saw on that screen it said bacon double cheese. What did it say? Grilled cheese bacon.
Get off it.
Said
Get off
grilled
it.
cheese double burger. That's what I wanted. But on the menu it says bacon cheeseburger toaster. So, and that says it's half the price of that. So I got what I didn't want. Well, not yet.
Well, it's not their fault.
Well, somebody's pulling next to us. I need a truck.
Is it that heavy or what? Okay, we got the box.
Oh, that's from Amanda from Indianapolis, Indiana.
Okay,
So it's Rick and Kathy.
that's nice.
P.O. Box 40302.
Oh, I'm excited. Thank you, Amanda. She really taped it up good, made it secure. Let's go.
Amanda. One of my favorite Boston songs. Watch for that girl. What do you think it is?
Oh no.
This should-
This is packed
You
so
shouldn't have. You
nice.
shouldn't have.
Oh my
You're gonna read.
goodness.
Ooh,
Oh, Amanda wrote a note. Dear Rick and Kathy, I enjoy watching your YouTube videos. My husband has started watching with me.
all kinds of good stuff.
We wait till we can watch together. This seasoning is from one of our favorite burger places. Woo! What?
Pickle air freshener.
Oh my goodness, I never saw that before.
Ooh,
What's-
Famous Dave's barbecue sauce.
Oh, that's good.
Devil spit. Oh no.
Oh,
I'm not trying that right
that's
here
a
and
hot
now.
one. What's that?
People who like
Magnet.
to eat are always the best people.
Oh,
All kind of goodies in here.
I've never tried the salsa or queso, but when I saw it, I thought of you guys. Oh, that was nice.
Wow.
Maybe you can use it in a recipe or just enjoy it with chips or something. I like the way she talks.
Bacon candy.
Rick, I know you said you were done with hot stuff, but I had to send some hot stuff.
Carolina Reaper corn nuggets. Oh, no.
Whoa!
How hot can it be?
Enjoy this box of random goodies. P.S. This is Cook with May. This is Cook with May, which writes to us.
Oh,
Oh, I'm so glad to know
these are going to be
that
good.
this is you. Thanks for writing your name there, because
So
we
much good stuff
appreciate
here.
you and the things that you write to
I
us.
love these.
Yeah. Thank you, May. I call you May, but
May and July.
it's Amanda.
Cookie,
Oh,
be
these
happy.
are really sweet. We can decorate the kitchen with this. Oh, look at
Good
that.
coffee is a pleasure. Good friends are a treasure. Oh,
Oh, I love good coffee. And good friends.
man, so much stuff. If I missed anything, I'll see it when I get home.
Oh my
Happiness
gosh.
is homemade.
What's in here? We have to know what's in here.
Open it up. Got your name on it. How about what's in here? Ooh.
Look,
bacon.
bacon salsa.
Bacon queso.
Oh gosh.
We're gonna have that with the movie tonight.
You really found some good
Arriba.
stuff here.
Oh man. Uh-oh. Still.
Oh, that's the
Friendlies.
seasoning from your restaurant that you like. That sounds good.
Steak burger. Steak burger and fry seasoning.
Wow.
Freddy's Famous. Oh, Freddy's. I thought it said Friendly's. I love it. Wow, all this good stuff.
I think this one looks really good. Look how cheesy.
Yeah. Dare I?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm gonna open this pickle air freshener too.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely use that. Ah,
I used to always eat these corn nuggets. Corn
Cook
nuts.
with May. She
says
she
corn
always
nuts.
writes such nice things.
Thank you so much. You didn't have to send all that stuff.
Yeah, this is one heck of a box of stuff.
Oh no! Carolina Reaper, I got no drink.
I don't know.
I smell it. Maybe
Go
right
ahead.
away to my Frosty comes.
Go ahead.
I remember that smell and that flavor.
Say
You wanna
what?
smell?
Say what you always say.
How hot can it be?
Yeah.
But I ain't got no drink here.
No.
Do I?
No.
I remember that flavor. Remember it went right out of my ears.
How's it seem?
It seems like it could be really hot. This is so nice, all this stuff.
Thank you so much
Oh,
for this
getting
box.
hot. No drink, right?
No.
Wow.
Oh, that was so sweet. So nice of you.
I'm trying not to think of this.
Think of the pickle.
Yeah. I was just thinking I don't have an air freshener in here either. Your Cadillac smells like a pickle.
I think our food's coming.
Ooh. Good, I need a drink. Hello.
Hello. The large unsweetened tea,
Thank you.
the large Snickers blast.
Thank you.
I'm not sure what that is. It
Looks
just
like a
came
hot
with
dog.
Okay.
it. Here's a straw for the tea and
Thank
the spoon is for the ice
Can we
cream.
get some ketchup? Do you have a little?
There might be some in the back, but I'll bring it out.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Food's here.
We're happy now, aren't we, Rick?
Yeah, I need a drink of that Snickerdoodle, whatever it is.
Thank goodness that Cook with May settled you down.
Oh, what time is it?
Oh.
Let's see. Here comes ketchup.
Is there 2 straws?
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. I don't need one.
Oh,
I need a spoon for that.
I just jammed ice cream in it.
Okay. 124. So. What was that?
Have a sip of scoop of ice cream to settle your tongue.
Where was that? Let me smell this pickle first.
You were just about to start your Friday night nicely. Because now you have your food. Let me smell. Whoa, it's a dill.
It's a dilly. Thank you.
That smells good. Look, let's show them how nice and thick this is. Snickers. Want a
What's
bite?
it called? A Sonic Blast, yeah.
Sonic Blast. Look how nice.
Yeah, I need some of that because my tongue.
Oh my gosh.
My tongue's on fire. Snickers in there.
Well, let's do this. Get that little hot dog cam out. Ready? Here we go.
Show the board tape measure. It's supposed to be a foot long.
It's a foot long, I think. Look. Wow.
Yeah, that's probably a little over a foot, I'd say.
That's nice.
One bite? Go ahead, one bite.
Right.
You're gonna eat it all in one bite.
Oh no. I like it.
I hope I got anything here. These are. What are they called?
Tater tots?
No.
Oh.
Paper poppers or something like that, I think. Or maybe you didn't get no poppers. These look like tater tots.
Yep.
Yeah, that's tater tot.
Good.
I ordered hot pepper toppers, remember?
No, you ordered fries.
And I said, can I get
Oh,
hot
yeah,
pepper poppers on the side?
Yes, I remember that.
Now what? Let's see. Maybe they're in your bag.
This is just a hot dog.
So I gotta ring the bell again?
Yeah, ring the bell.
What are they called? Let's see how long this takes. Let's look at this. This isn't what I thought it. Remember? This is soft toast, bacon cheeseburger,
Single.
a hint of lettuce. Yeah, single. Did I ask for double? I forget. No, I think it only comes that way. Single. Taking a bite. It's okay. How's your hot dog? Good?
Yeah.
We didn't get a receipt, did we?
Here's what I want to know.
What?
Did your tongue settle down with the ice cream?
The hamburger's pretty good, and the bacon's pretty good.
I think the hot dog's pretty good. And the tater tots are pretty good.
But it's not the grilled cheese double bacon, but it's toast with cheese.
You like
Made a
it?
mistake. What am I gonna do? It's okay.
Oh. Now what's going to happen with those things? Tell me if you want to buy this hot dog. Well, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Don't make it a mess on my...
Mmm.
Good, huh?
Mm-hmm. Tastes like the 4th of July.
Here we are eating hot dogs and hamburgers when it's the 4th of July weekend coming up. What do you want to cook over that weekend for the 4th?
Hot dogs and hamburgers.
Uh-huh. Well,
Mmm. I think my new air fryer is coming today. Special one. Smart air fryer. Wi-Fi.
I got a, well, what do you think you want to make in that?
And go look at the recipe book. Because there's an app on your phone that you just press it if you want to make that, and it programs that air fryer to make that. There's over 100 recipes, I think.
Wow. Did they give us napkins? I brought some. Oh, okay.
Couple.
If you need a drink.
They're not good on service. We're the only car in this outside drive-through. Yeah, and they're not on roller skates, are they? Didn't they used to be on roller skates when they first opened around us? Went downhill. This was $6.99.
All right.
They're not going to answer this buzzer again, are they? Nobody is?
No, thanks. This is the weekend of the hot dog eating contest.
How about those pizzas we made last night? You told me to frozen. You called me and told me it's fall out the dough that's in the freezer.
Well, there's a funny story associated with the pizzas we had for supper last night.
Yeah,
I was at work
yeah.
and I texted him because I had pizza toppings in the refrigerator all ready for us to make a pizza or a couple pizzas. So I texted him from work and I said, can you take the frozen pizza dough out of the freezer and let it thaw out and put it in a bowl with a little oil on it and cover it?
So I did. And it thawed out in 4 or 5 hours, right?
And it was, you know, room temperature, and it had some oil on it and covered up just like nicely, like taking care of it. And so I got out all the toppings when I got home from work, and I put all the containers on the table and the sauce and the cheese, and he was going to put some sausage and also some pepperoni, and I was going to use mushrooms and ricotta cheese. We had a whole display. Oh,
Hang on. Hello?
okay. So, talk.
Talking to me?
Yeah, say, I didn't get part of my order.
Are you there? Hello? Hello?
There's a button, I say hello.
Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
Your signature Sonic craving. Whether you power through your day with a Route 44 iced tea.
How can I help you?
We ordered a large cheddar peppers and we didn't get them with our order.
Slush. Every sip tastes that much more delightful.
I'm sorry, what store are you at again?
Number 4.
Enjoy happy hour prices.
Be right out with that.
Thank you.
Slushes all day
Yeah, so.
Well, I went over and I
Alright.
took the plastic off and it felt like sandy. And then Rick came over and he's like, what's wrong? You know?
I said it feels like cookie dough, huh?
It felt like cookie dough because it was cookie dough. I had a nice ball of sand tart cookie dough in the freezer for a day that I wanted to make some extra cookies. And that's what it was. It wasn't pizza dough. It just didn't feel right, huh? Oh boy. So, what did we do? I ran over to the pizzeria and I asked for a fresh ball of pizza dough.
And here's a picture of our pizzas. That one's mine.
It worked out okay. It worked out.
That one's hers.
fine. And it just took us a little 10 extra
We probably
minutes.
couldn't have made that since I've sprayed oil on it. And it sat out all day with eggs in it. So.
Yeah, we don't want to make the cookies then, but too bad. But it was a funny feeling sticking your fingers into that. Huh. Oh well, it all worked out.
So this turned into a 2-hour ordeal here so far.
2-hour fast food. But we got to talk to our friends and show them a nice package.
Oh,
we
there
opened.
was so many nice presents there. Thank you. You didn't have to do all that. We're going to enjoy them all. Queso while I'm watching movies. Salsa. Seasoning. Nice refrigerator magnets and towels.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Thank you for being so thoughtful.
Amanda from Indiana.
No, is it Amanda or is it May? What should we call you?
Don't call her late for supper.
It's really fun when we see what people eat all over the country, you know?
They eat just like us.
Yeah, but they have their favorite restaurants, just like we do.
Sonic the movie comes out today too.
Oh.
The Hedgehog. That's what's at the drive-in now instead of Elvis. We won't see Elvis, but
Yeah, we will.
we will.
Well, do you want to see Sonic?
I don't want to be at Sonic no more. I can come back here. I hope they're watching. Uh-oh. No, it was poppers. What is that?
Not a Coke?
No, cheddar poppers, a large.
Okay, that's what you're missing?
Yeah. Thanks. I should have took the Coke. Yeah, I'll take that too. Thank you.
Okay, now. How can we make this stuff up, huh? See, people think sometimes when mistakes are made, we're goofy because we let it happen, but look what happens. Huh?
Yeah. Make sure there's not a goldfish in it or something.
Oh my word.
And I'm on a diet.
Wonder who got the other stuff.
Probably nobody. You know how they don't give it to you and they show a profit because they didn't give out all the food that was paid for?
Want some more tots?
Uh-oh, here they come. Thanks a lot.
Sorry about that.
That's okay, thanks. Now I got cheddar poppers. Cheddar peppers. supposed to be a large.
So hot.
Ooh, they're hot. How can they be? Oh, see, that's what I wanted.
See, he's not totally off the hot stuff. Yeah. So these are
These are probably the ones I ordered to begin with because they're a little dark and a little dry. They're probably sitting there the whole time.
Yeah, they threw them back in.
But they're hot. I mean, temperature-wise. Crunchy. Extra
You know,
brown.
You got up with good food.
Yeah, but look what happened. What we had to go through.
Well, you had to go through a little bit, but still. Do you want any more hot dog?
Why?
Would you like a big bite? I'm still eating it.
No, you need it.
Or should I give you what's left?
No, I'm getting full. We got that big, what's that called? Sonic Blast. I keep looking at the menu to see what it was called. All right, it's 91 degrees. Eek.
I'm getting full.
I'm not gonna eat it all. It's good though. Don't throw it out.
I'm not throwing it out.
Have a nice holiday weekend. Thanks for eating with us again. Thank you for the nice presents. And thanks for being patient with me. It wasn't me, it was the restaurant.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
And I still didn't get what I wanted. I wanted that,
Rick,
that
say
grilled
goodbye.
cheese. The grilled cheese. Double. All right. Talk to you soon. Please subscribe so you can see that new air fryer. Wi-Fi. Check out Kathy's channel. We'll talk to you soon. Have a nice weekend.
Bye.
See ya. Put your flags out. Happy 4th of July.